Please, can anybody answer this question? Drop it at the comment section. Why the okra they sell here in Dutchland does not draw when you use it to cook soup? Please, I've been asking this question for a very long time. If you have an answer, drop it at the comment section. So lovely. To begin, I have my cow skin, mackerel fish, cow meat already washed and clean. I'm using 2 portions of cow meat, dried cow meat and fresh cow meat, and I have my SHAKI and Ogbono cow skin. So I also have my sliced okra. All these things I bring out from the freezer, but I let it to defrost before I start making use of it. Okay guys, next is my red palm oil. Yeah, so next is my onions. I have 2 large onions, my chili powder, salt to taste, and my Maggi seasonings. I'm using cow brown and chicken brown. The next one is my crayfish. So I have my paprikas. Okay guys, and the next my blended ogbono. The vegetables I'm going to introduce later. So let's get started. So first I will start by slicing the mackerel fish, which I'm going to be grilling in the oven. You can also fry if you want, or you cook like that, but I love it when it's fried or grilled. Okay guys, keep watching. So my lovelies, back to this okra matter. I don't know why anytime I buy okra in African shop here in Dutchland, Germany precisely, the okra will not draw. And the worst part of it is that draw soup is our best soup in the house here. My children love it a lot. So I usually make draw soup, and I remembered those days in Africa, you will buy okra and when you prepared it, it will come out perfect. It will draw. So guys, this okra thing is confusing me. Guys, right now I'm done washing the fish. I'm going to transfer it into my oven to grill. Okay. So next is to go ahead and pre-boil my SHAKI. So I will add some water to pre-boil the SHAKI. As that is going on, I will go ahead and start boiling all my proteins. So next is to transfer all the proteins in a clean pot and start cooking them. Yeah. So guys, don't worry about the meat. It's already washed and cleaned. Okay guys, because I normally wash my meat and portion them, store it in my deep freezer. Next is to add in my sliced onions, as you can see, the chili powder, my Maggi seasoning, salt, a little water to pre-boil, cover to allow to cook. As that is going on, I'm also going to repeat the same process by pre-boiling my ogbono, add water and allow it to pre-boil. So guys, right now we are going to wash out this water and transfer it into the pot I'm using to cook the proteins. Okay guys, so keep watching. So guys, the omo is pre-boiling, so I'm going to step it aside. We are not going to overcook it. Guys, if you want it to be too big in your soup, it's okay, but I don't like it so big as such, so I'm going to be dividing it to the sizes I want. Okay guys, so this size is okay. Next is to blend my onions. My paprikas. Okay guys, add some water to blend. I'll pour it in my pot. Then cover to cook. I'll be checking the soup. Test for seasoning. So right now we are going to be adding our red palm oil. At this stage, we are going to be adding the ogbono. Okay guys, stir and cover to cook. Is to add in our crayfish. Give it a good stir. So guys, at this stage I'm going to go ahead and add my sliced okra. Gently stir. At this stage, my whole house is smelling so yummy. So next is to go ahead and add in my mackerel grilled fish. Is ready. Stir again. Oh my goodness, this soup is so yummy. At this stage, I will go ahead and add my UZIZA leaf. Feel free to add any vegetables of your choice. Okay guys, then give it a good mix. and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and your soup is ready. Okay guys, at this stage guys, our delicious okra soup is ready. You can serve this with fufu, eba, gari, pounded yam, name it all, and you are good to go. Oh my goodness, wow, so lovely. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye bye, ciao.